Good morning, Ladybugs. I just wanted to talk to you for a couple of minutes about Avon Social today. If you are not using Avon Social, you are working way too hard to post things to your social media accounts. So as you can see, I'm in your Avon 2.0. I'm going to click up here where it says Avon Social. Now you can see here that this is still me. I'm still logged into my accounts, and there's a lot of things here that you can work with. You have a post creator, your content planner, and your content calendar. What I want to show you today is the calendar, because this has a really easy way for you to keep track of what you're posting. As you can see, my March calendar is very full. I schedule things way ahead of time, and I post 2 to 3 times a day, a variety of different posts. These posts go to my Facebook business page or my Facebook group. I rotate those and take turns doing each one. My Twitter page and my Pinterest account. So you can do all of those things just within Avon Social itself. You can also download the images to be used with Instagram. So let's go to the content planner here, and I just want to show you how easy it is to set up a week's worth of posts. They have this already set up for you, where all you have to do is click set up your week. You can see that I've already done a couple, but I am missing some days here, so let me show you really quickly. Here's the suggested post for Thursday. Better than a bouquet. They give you some product information. They also give you a copy tip of something you might say, but what I like to do is just copy some of this product info and paste it into the content area. Now that will probably be too large for Twitter, so I'll show you what's going to happen. So I'm going to post this to my Facebook group, my Twitter account, and I'm going to put it in my Pinterest account under skincare. So as you can see, it is too big for Twitter, so I'm going to customize the Twitter one just by cutting off some of this text and making it a little more Twitter friendly. There, now we're under 280 for Twitter. So as you can see, this is already set up for 10:30 a.m. and remember, we're on Thursday. So all I have to do is hit schedule now, and it is posted to all 3 of those accounts. Now, like I said, I do like to rotate between my Facebook group and my Facebook page. So here's Friday's suggestion, and they give you a nice little blurb here to copy paste. This one is not skincare, so I'm going to add this to my fragrance board. And the text is already below 280, so I'm good to go. This is going to post at 8 p.m. on Friday. And I've got one more to go to post my week, so I'm going to switch back to my group. This one is just kind of a human interest post. It's nice to mix it up so that you don't always have product posts out there. And I like to ask questions every now and then in my content area so that I can maybe get some feedback. Another interesting thing you can do here is add your link. It gives you a link to your brochure, your store, any recruitment, and sweepstakes that are going on. So I've been favoring this one, the online brochure, because I really want them to get in there and click through the pages of the brochure. This one's going to post at 10:30, and I believe that's my last one for the week. Oh, I didn't select a Pinterest board. So this is not really Pinterest friendly content, so I'm going to take Pinterest off of there. And that's it. I have posted for the entire week. Now if you go back and look at your calendar, you can see today is the 25th. So you can see that those posts were added, and now I have 2 to 3 posts for each day. That's it. Simple as that. Good luck, ladies.